Hello, welcome, fabulous participants, to another exciting Debutify webinar. I'm your host for today's event, Marie, and I'm super thrilled to have all of you guys here today. First things first, let's talk about our topic from last webinar. In case you missed it, we talked about Debutify shopping enhancers. It was amazing. It was jam-packed. We had to split into two webinars because there were just so many add-ons. And it was just a lot. It was really good. We discussed how these tools can help you enhance your customers' shopping experience and ultimately boost your online sales. I hope you all had a chance to try them. And if not, you can try them right after this webinar, guys, right? Okay. And if you've tried them out, you've probably seen the difference that they could make in your e-com store. But anyway, today we'll be talking more about something that is equally important, if not more crucial, to your e-com store's success. And as you can see in the first slide, it's the Shop Protector add-ons. It's how you can protect your e-com store. Did you know that 30% of website traffics are actually robots? That's a little bit scary. I know there's a lot of robots. I didn't know it was a third of the website traffic. This can cause serious harm to your e-com store by attempting to hack, commit fraud activities, or even steal personal information. It's a nightmare for e-com brand owners, and that's why we are here to help. So we'll be discussing 3 significant reasons why you need to prioritize e-com fraud prevention on your online store. First is that it helps boost your credibility. If something happens from your store, word travels fast, guys. Next, it increases customer loyalty. If they know that you're taking avid measures for their security, they'll be more inclined to be a fan of your store. And of course, last but not least, it helps to avoid any fraudulent activities that can damage your business reputation. So buckle up, guys. We're going to have an exciting and informative session today. And who knows, you might learn a few tips and tricks that can help you take your e-com store to the next level. But don't worry, we'll keep it very light and bubbly for today. We won't bore you with technical jargon, blah, 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 heavy sales pitches. We're all here just to have some fun and to learn together. Let's go. So you need to protect your website from unwanted visitors and theft, right? Luckily for you, we have your back and we have your Shop Protector add-ons. And here are some ways you can protect your e-com website using Debutify. First is the age verification. If you sell restricted products such as alcohol or tobacco, you need to ensure that your visitors are of legal age. Debutify's Age Check add-on helps you verify the age of your visitors through a simple pop-up form. You can customize the form to ask for their birthday or simply a yes or no response. Agree to terms and conditions is another add-on, and because your e-commerce store needs clear rules and your customers need to agree to them. Debutify's Agree to Terms add-on ensures that your customers understand your e-commerce store's rules before they make a purchase. Then we have the cookie box. Adding a cookie box to your website is important in making your business GDPR compliant. Debutify's cookie box add-on confirms if your customers are willing to share their data and informs them of what data you're collecting. Also, we have a Shop Protect add-on. Protect your content, trademarks, and copyrights from unauthorized actions with Debutify's Protect add-on. This is essential to avoid unauthorized users from downloading and using your content for their own benefit. All of these add-ons are easy to activate and customize, giving you peace of mind knowing that your e-com website is very secure. All right, folks, that's all we have for you today. I hope you found this webinar as informative as it was fun. And trust me, for me, it was a lot of fun. We covered a lot of ground today, from verifying your customer's age to protecting your e-com website content and everything in between. And all of with the help of amazing Debutify shop protectors. So I'd like to give you a big thank you to everyone for tuning in and making this such a blast. Yeah, guys, it was a short but sweet webinar, and I hope you picked up a few tips and tricks to help protect your website like a pro. Anyway, guys, that's all we have for you. Until next time, feel free to check out our other websites. And if you have any questions at all, we're always here for you to. You can contact us or browse us on our website. All right, see you in our next webinar. Cheers, guys.